Click on the link below to get price. The AIVOLT 1600W Super Quiet Inverter Generator proves to be a standout choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient power source for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup. Weighing in at a mere 37 pounds, its ultra-lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, allowing users to easily transport it without straining. Despite its compact size, the generator packs a powerful punch with a peak output of 1,600 watts, providing enough energy to run essential devices such as refrigerators, lights, and small power tools. One of the most impressive features of the AIVOLT generator is its ultra-quiet operation. With a noise level as low as 52 dB, it operates quietly enough to not disturb the peace during outdoor gatherings or while camping in nature. This is particularly beneficial for those who prioritize a serene environment or wish to comply with noise regulations in campgrounds. The generator also boasts an impressive fuel efficiency, with up to 12 hours of runtime at a quarter load on a single tank of gas. This longevity means less frequent refueling and more time enjoying the great outdoors or managing power outages at home. The built-in eco mode adjusts the engine's speed based on the load, not only optimizing fuel consumption but also reducing emissions, a plus for environmentally conscious users. User-friendly features such as multiple outlet options, including USB ports and standard AC outlets, provide versatility for powering various devices. The generator's compact and robust construction ensures durability, which is essential for outdoor use. However, it's essential to note that while the 1600W output is suitable for most small to medium applications, it may not suffice for larger appliances. Therefore, understanding your power needs before purchasing is crucial. Overall, the AIVOLT 1600W Super Quiet Inverter Generator impresses with its balance of portability, quiet operation, and fuel efficiency, making it a top contender for anyone in need of a portable power solution.